Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Al Hilal bank account. So in order to do it, you can come on the alhilalbank.ae, which is the official website of this bank. Now, once you are on this page, you just have to scroll down a bit, and in the bottom, you will see this call us option. So you need to basically click on it, and then you will see these numbers or at which you can basically call to the Hilal bank account customer service, and you can ask them for the procedure about closing your account. Most probably you will have to physically go to your bank's branch, and there you will have to fill out some form for the account closure, and within a week you are going to close your Al Hilal bank account. So this is the only way of doing it. You cannot do it online. So if you want to call them about the procedure, you can definitely go ahead and do so. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.